Welcome to episode number 13 ng Self-Talk with Ken Ken Somera. And syempre, ako to. And of course, we have one of my best buddies here, Strix Toledo. Hi, Strix.
Hey, good evening, Ken. Shall I
Okay.
introduce you?
Hindi na. Ano to? Ito na yan eh. Episode 13 na to eh. Okay na yan.
Right.
Okay na yan. And topic for today, it's just like one question. What can we learn from 2025? And we're gonna put on the like perspective as coaches, and we're gonna ask ourselves a couple of questions that we get to ask other people. Yun lang, straight to the point. So Strix,
Cool.
on your mind, what have anong natutunan mo this 2025?
We were having this little chat uh, when you broached the subject that you thought would be useful for everyone, which is what did we learn during the year? It's kind of still on theme with the audits we've been doing.
Hmm.
But of course, we're done with the audits. With apologies to everyone who couldn't join us for those. Uh, and so that really got me thinking. and I brought up with you how actually I haven't had the words for how to talk about it. It's essentially where Limitless meets all the self development work that we've been doing for a long time. And
Hmm.
how you know how I temporarily abandoned NLP some time back because like why do I have to do that stuff? Before I found out, oh no, that's a good gateway, and people do need uh like something familiar also. And if NLP has its way, it'll eat every other technology anyway. So,
Hmm.
I kind of resolved that. But I was trying to look for words for this thing that we see in practice, which is, we can do all the self talk and conversational hypnosis, persuasion and influence work. Yeah. But sometimes it doesn't hit, sometimes it doesn't land. And so I was exploring that for the longest time. And of course, the lens that I was looking at it from was
Hmm.
that of clarity of mind, you know. And so the conclusion I came to was um, you know what? It's about state first. You know how no matter what we try, no matter where we come from, if the person isn't ready, and if we're not ready, especially if we're not ready, nothing lands right. Diba? Doesn't quite work or it rubs them the wrong way, no matter how apparently well intentioned we are. Yeah. So in a way, it's kind of like a reflection of the go first thing.
We go first
And
principle ng hypnosis.
yeah,
Yeah.
kind of
Mm.
a reflection of that. And so the way I think about it now is state first. State first, meaning where are they coming from first? Where are we coming from first? And if we have that, once we figure that out, if we can identify the state where a person is coming from, then we can help them best. But before that, it's like we're not even meeting them at the same gate. Yeah.
Uh, Hindi kasi ito, while you're saying that,
Yeah.
I'm getting to, well, agree ako. Yun yung pag-usap naman natin kanina. Pero
Yeah.
one word came to mind.
Yeah.
It's when.
Yeah. That's exactly it.
So
It's
when
about
can you say that you're ready? I mean, when can you
yeah,
say that you're in that state to actually, like, work with it
yeah, yeah,
or change?
yeah, precisely. And so that's that brother is exactly the question I was wrestling with. And so the conclusion is the same. It's actually a matter of when.
Yun yung unang ano eh,
It's
when.
a
So,
matter of when, brother. It's a matter of when. It's a matter of when. And when I figured that out, oh, okay, that makes sense now. And so that's the flavor I wanted to lend to this conversation. That it's more than anything. First, yeah, I think it's about clarity for me, and it's about focus, and it's about direction and intention. Sure, it's about results and transformation. Sure, but if it's about clarity first, it's gotta be about state first. You're trying to get into the crowded room of someone's mind, and if they're in no position to let you in, even if you want to help, there's no getting in. There's no real helping. Yeah, and that's what I was looking at. And yeah. So precisely, it's a question of when.
When can you know that you're ready? Where are you Nasaan ka ngayon? Where are you currently at? What are you currently feeling?
Yeah,
Hanggang
yeah.
kailan mo gusto mangyari tong ganito? Minsan yun yung mga question na yun eh.
Yeah.
I got to talk to a client yesterday, and
Mm,
ang question lang na main na binato ko to lead to a state was, so ito na pala yung nararamdaman mo. Hindi ka pa
mm,
napapagod?
mm,
Just to pinpoint na mapunta siya doon sa state na hinahanap namin.
mm,
Na pagod na siya eh. Ayaw, kaya nga kami magkausap kasi ayaw na niya eh.
mm,
But I need to amplify. I need to amplify that state. Nandun na yung state eh.
mm,
Nandun na siya eh. Pero hindi acknowledged, di ba? So, ang goal ko was to pull the person out of that unconscious loop and make it conscious.
mm.
Kasi I think Strix, as we're getting to talk about states, ang laking factor
Yeah,
din ng coach or ng therapist to pull or to make the person um to lead them into a state that could work for them.
yeah. That's it precisely. What'll help. It's kind of like the irony of ironies, but we see this in everything in relationships. As long as it involves people, even if you have the best intent in mind, they gotta let you in.
Pero yun nga eh, kaya nga sila they jumped on the call with us. They already made the decision to actually work with what they want to work with.
Supposedly.
Ang challenge na lang dito is yung accountability and if they're committed to actually follow through.
Mm,
Kasi again, there are stages when we're working with people. I mean, there is less like, oh, gagawin ko yan. Tapos walang nangyaring action. Oh, gagawin ko yan. And then may action, may proof. Pero,
mm,
hindi nag-continue yung action. So, yung action made a dent, a change in a day, probably a one-day thing. They felt good
mm,
about it. But the next day, it went back to the loop.
mm.
Tama? Kasi hindi pa acknowledged eh. I mean, hindi pa siya
Yeah.
internally programmed. So, there is when I look at it, ang laking factor na can we really work with a person with just one session? I could still say yes.
Mm,
Pero looking at it, realization ko this year was, teka, nag-i-slide back yung iba eh. Kasi iba-iba
yeah.
naman yung programming eh. There are people that yes, they found the insight, they found that state that could lead them to the changes that they want. They burned the old identity, they killed the old identity and have created the new one for themselves already. Yun yung, I think, a couple of years ago, 2 years ago, I think yun yung pinag-uusapan natin eh.
Mm, mm.
Burning you have to kill the old identity. Yun. If
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not sure if things have changed with insight with that, but I still think that's kind of logical. Oh. Pero going back, wag muna tayo lumayo doon. So,
No,
Safe pa rin.
still on what you said.
Mm.
So I'm faced with exactly the same set of problems with people. Um, I do realize that some of it is leverage. By example,
Mm-hmm.
uh, where it's funny, if the stakes are higher, the tendency for change is higher. And so actually some of the most headachy folks to work with, if I didn't have a choice but to work with them, are actually like, they take lower ticket entry, or they manage to get into a conversation, and I wish I could help them better, but the internal leverage for them, uh, the gain versus loss isn't there. Okay? And so, funnily enough, it's quite a joy working with like higher ticket coaching because they're like really invested in their change. They're super invested in their change. So the switch is super fast, super good. Okay. Uh,
May
so I
question ako
understand part of
dun.
it.
May
Part of it
question
is
ako dun.
leverage.
May
Yeah, yeah,
question ako dun. I agree with you kasi I mean if the higher the ticket we offer, the more the people, yung mga taong nag-iinvest dun sa high ticket na yon are actually they know malaki yung nilabas nila, and then mas mataas yung gets mo yung investment nila dun sa sarili nila.
bit
But
of loss aversion there. Yeah,
pero ito yung parang I'll just throw it in.
yeah, yeah,
If a person has 10,000 pesos on his bank account
yeah.
versus a person who has 10 million on his
Oh
bank
yeah,
account.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And I think you get the question that
Oh yeah,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
trying
yeah.
to
They,
put.
they even brought this up in church with that analogy where a lady gave only coins, but when she was judged, she gave more than any of you because she gave of her living wages rather than from her surplus. It's like she had nothing else to give, but she gave anyway. So so it's kind of along that line. Yeah. So
Yeah,
I get
yun
it. Even the notion of high ticket is, it depends, and that's why we're willing to work with people from where they're at. Especially if
yeah.
we see the potential. Yeah, yeah,
So I think yun lang yung siguro for our friends listening, siguro dito nyo nagigets din sa side namin when we say that iba-iba yung range ng um rate for when we work with people,
yeah,
because we are also looking at that standpoint. Meron naman kaming mga base rates, but meron kaming mga specific rates for specific problems, because
yeah,
yung investment per person is different for each
yeah, yeah,
specifics and
yeah, yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Hmm.
So
But
that's one side, bro. Yeah, go ahead.
pero yeah, going back dun sa state, we're talking about change work, and
Yeah.
what have you noticed that this year lang, anong tingin mong nangyari sa iyo personally? And sagutin ko rin yung sa akin. I mean, in terms of like working with people, ano pa yung na-notice mo?
It's mainly this thing that I brought up with you, that it's largely state dependent. Oh, and on the other thing, what we've been talking about this for years, it truly is Ibiza access. It truly is highest leverage to start from identity or insight,
Could you
but
explain
it's very
muna
difficult
what
to do.
Ibiza is for our friends who haven't ngayon lang tayo nakilala. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's
I
not
use
about
the
the very.
Ibiza then Strix kasi when it just makes sense. It just makes sense.
Right.
Walang alam mo naman, I get to look at ano yung highest logic, and as of right now, ano pa rin, it still makes sense. It still makes
Yeah,
sense.
yeah. So Ibiza is this. I tried to figure out a long time ago, like how do people decide? How do people change? How do people think? How do people intend? And so I call it like the matrix of human choice. If you gave me a la Chase Hughes 5 minutes to sit down with a person and figure out if they will do something or not do something, part of my toolbox will be Ibiza. And Ibiza is insight, identity, that's I, then beliefs, and then skills, and then action. So essentially, you know, and at the bottom, if you'd like, it's Ibiza E. So that's environment at the bottom. So why will a person do something or not do something? They haven't had the thought, or they haven't had the insight, or they don't believe they are that person. They don't have the identity or the insight or the
Hmm.
new thought. Uh, or they don't have the belief, or they don't have the skills, or they haven't done the actions, or they're not in the environment for it. And it's a top down, bottom up thing, each thing affecting everything else, but very high leverage. As soon as, by example, you believe that you're a dad, as soon as it kicks in that you're a dad, identity level, insight level, the beliefs automatically shape themselves. And your actions, your skills, you gradually build them up. But your skills will not arise if you don't have the belief, or they won't arise properly, right? And then once you have the beliefs that give you the skills, you work on the actions. And if you can't work on the actions, the only other reason is because you haven't set up your environment. And it's very easy leverage. People forget, like mind and body are one unit. People forget that fresh new thought and a fresh environment are reflections of each other, are opposite sides of the same coin. So it's easiest actually, funnily enough, low leverage, but it's actually not a bad thing to start with your environment. Sometimes all I ask people to do is change how they orient, put their, how do you sleep? Where's your head? Ask them to put their pillow on the other side. And so when they wake up, they're looking at a different part of the ceiling. And because they're looking at something different on the outside, something different on the inside arises. Because conditioning, they've been feeling crap about themselves while looking at the same spot in the ceiling as soon as they wake up. They were clear and then they mess it up out of conditioning. So I just changed the environment. For some people, all I've asked is, okay, they're feeling like their life's gonna collapse. They need a change of perspective. You know, uh, for a couple of them, all I've asked is, okay, change environment in a very radical, funny way. It says, you like traveling, right? You like Japan, right? You have a passport, great. I book the ticket now. No, 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 no. I know you can do this. And then they call me in like a few days, and that was brilliant. And they send me money for essentially telling them to get out of the country, to change your environment, and that'll somehow change your perception of things in a very physical way, and that changes the entire cascade. They have a new insight, things aren't so crappy, which changes their beliefs. They try new skills, they do different actions, and then everything's different. So that's Ibiza. That's Ibiza. And so for me, it's still very high leverage to start in that way. Hang on. Oh, dude, sorry, I gotta take a call. Hang on.
Go lang, go lang, go lang. So, yep. Hey guys. So, eto, we're still discussing kung ano nga ba yung mga natutunan namin this year. I mean, there's a lot of things din kasi as a coach that I've written some questions down based on what happened, based on ano yung mga medyo challenging things with coaching, lalo na kung gaano kabigat yung problema na dala nung kausap mo to working with alignment with clients. I think isa yun sa mga naging realization ko while driving. Um, can I genuinely root for the client if I don't like the client? Oo. I think isa yun sa mga self-learnings ko na wala lang, it just popped out. Na parang, teka, ako nga no, kaya ako nag-install ng what I call a chemistry call so that it's coming from a learned it's coming from learning kasi that when I've some of the feedback that I got from clients is pagkadating nila with another coach or a therapist dun sa first session nila na paid na rin, dun pa lang sila nagsimula ng introductions nila, dun pa lang sila nagsimula ng lahat ng data and everything. And on my end, teka lang, so nandun sa paid pero wala pa masyado naging progress dun sa unang conversation. So sabi ko, teka lang, I want to ensure that pag nagsimula na ako with my client, I have an understanding already. And when we call it a session, it is a session, not an introduction. Yun yung naging call ko. So, natanggal ko na rin yung concept ng I take in anything, anyone. Natanggal ko na yon because I think hindi yung approach ko or the combination inside me that I am is not fit for everyone. Hindi lahat client ko. Oo. I just have seen it na I've talked to some parents na yung anak ko may ganito, kausapin mo Ken, I'll pay for it, walang problema. Yung asawa ko ganito, i-therapy mo naman siya, i-coach mo siya. But ang I don't see the sense of it. Parang fuck. If they want, kausapin niyo muna sila. And if they want, they personally reach out to me. That's what I've installed. Why? Because authority plays a big part. Respect plays a big part. So if you I think striction yun no? Pinag-usapan natin before about authority.
Yeah.
It's still one important thing with coaching and therapy sessions. If the doctor, the therapist, the healer doesn't have authority over the client, there's wala, hindi rin siya makikinig kahit ano sabihin mo wala, hindi rin walang mangyayari, walang
Same
mangyayari.
thing. Same thing. Same thing at the clinics. I have discussions with our clinic manager. You know her,
Mm, mm,
and sometimes she'd bring it up herself with me. How actually I first heard it from her,
mm,
like years back. The way she said is, Dok, iba talaga pag naniniwala o hindi naniniwala yung pasyente sa doktor, no? Because we get patients from other doctors, and part of the issue is like
second ano pa yun, second opinion lang
it's
ganun.
possible for the patient to help, for the doctor to help the patient. But if the patient doesn't believe in the doctor, oh God, you should see how the efforts are so difficult and how they crumble. Seriously. So there is something to that. There is something to the therapeutic relationship when you both believe in each other. Like you believe in the patient and
Yeah.
their possibilities. The client, the coachee,
Yeah.
and their possibilities. And they believe in you and your ability to lead. Yeah. It's a
Yun
big
yung
thing.
yun yung thought kasi Strix while I was driving. Teka lang, when I get to work with a person, for example, I just remember this before. When I get to work with a person na ayoko, yung ayoko siya, ayoko ka-work, pero kunwari, dissonance talaga. Hindi aligned yung values. Kunwari,
Yeah,
yung value niya, itong gusto niya, ganito yung mangyari. Pero yung sa values ko, hindi nagmamatch. Pero kailangan kong tanggalin yung biases ko when I go into a call. I have to be
right.
professional, di ba? So, um, ang hirap din eh. So, yung sa akin, kahit kaya naman, sabi ko, teka lang, i-sort out ko na to sa chemistry call so that when I say that I want to work with you and I take you in as a coachee or as a coaching client or as a mentee, I want to genuinely root for you. And I
Right.
want you to win and I want you to
Right.
talagang
Right.
to help you to change and I want to be I also get to work we get to work as an accountability partner din eh to
Right.
ensure
Right.
that
Right.
they make the action eh. So kaya nandun yung chemistry call. Kaya yung iba nagtatanong, tayo na ba't meron ka pang ganyang process? Sabi
Yeah,
ko,
yeah,
it's to safeguard myself. It's to safeguard the client also. Kung hindi aligned
yeah,
sa akin yan, pasa ko yan dun sa mga, ang dami kong kakilala naman na therapist, coaches, di ba? Nang ganun. At least I
yeah,
could
yeah,
give
yeah.
them,
Yeah.
to where it's right. Lead them where it's
Can I
right.
point
Yeah.
out?
Go lang, go
Right,
lang.
right. Can I point out something regarding exactly what you said? That actually aligns with what we're talking about a while ago when I broached this topic of state. Yeah,
Go, 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 go.
you're that's precisely it. Okay, so think about it. If you're unhappy about the match, your state is off, and you cannot, like, 100% to the best of your ability help your coachee because you're already off. But when it's a mix, state is good, and you as a leader can lead them into a better state, much better than if it isn't the fit, because your state is off, you're unhappy about it. And even if we can shrug off things better than most people, there's still a bit of that that's going to leak.
Ramdam eh. Hindi, kahit kunwari hindi niya maramdaman kasi hindi ka naman niya kilala, pero ano eh,
Yeah.
alam mo yan eh, lumalabas yun sa, minsan sa expression, minsan kung coaching na ganito, Facebook Live, kita sa mukha mo, ano, kuna nakita ko yung reflection ko dito eh. Parang, oh shit, tayo na. Lol,
And
love
sometimes
trip, man.
you bury it well, okay, but it's gonna leak. Yeah.
Minsan hindi leak inside the session eh. Minsan leak outside the
No,
session
no,
eh.
no.
After the session,
I hear you.
it's so
I
draining
hear you.
rather than it would be a fun
Oh, that's
session for
true.
you both. Parang puta, buti na tapos na to.
Yeah, yeah,
Mga ganong moment. So
yeah,
I want to go out of a session na tamang that was a good one. I think maganda yung naging
yeah,
progress
yeah,
namin
yeah.
sa call na yan.
Yeah.
That was nice
You know
insight.
what?
Oh.
You know what? That is continually a surprise for me year after year. How, uh, like, our best coaches, we are rewarded for, like, more than monetarily, so well, with those who are, like, super good match and super wanting to progress. You know what I mean? It's like, wait,
Meron,
I'm
meron,
getting paid for
meron.
this stuff. Like I've had calls where I'm
Meron,
next to
meron,
people, and
meron.
then, can you believe I'm getting paid for this? It's like, can you, like, then I'll show them, like, a wire transfer. Can you believe that call? It's like, I had fun. I had so much fun, and and
Yeah.
and 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 you know, we're rewarded more than that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And so I think that chemistry call, uh, that's a bit of brilliance in itself, and you know, that's also a reflection of, like, capability. If you can afford to turn people away, great. You know,
I think
um,
nan personally confident na ako dun sa part na yun eh na it's important that I get to work with the percentage of change. I
right.
want to work with higher probabilities. I could work with lower probabilities, but that would be a big waste of time lalo na if the other side is not committed. Okay, kasi yun nga, sayang nagbabayad din naman sila, pero parang there's just parang I don't know. I just want to make it pure, man. I mean,
No, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you.
pag
I hear you.
sa
So,
coaching.
if I could, like, bring together, like, our earlier conversation, so there
Hmm.
are those elements, leverage, okay, and then chemistry, yeah, and
Chemistry,
then
yeah.
timing. That's when
Interesting.
okay. And so I sat down and tried to codify, like, what do I understand about this timing thing? What do I understand about when is the right time? Is there a way of identifying that? And in the interest of focus, of efficiency, which, I like working on. So I tried to figure out, are there actually signs? Is there a way to tell? Much like the in social circle, in social, like, skills, how do you know if a person is cool with you? How do you know if a person's interested? Old school stuff. Okay, like how do you know if the person's in the right state to hear what you have to share? And so that's what I've tried to. Oh, is there a way to codify this? Are there signs?
Meron ka ba? Meron ka bang
Yeah,
specific
yeah, yeah,
question
yeah.
na ginagamit ngayon, Strix?
Can I actually show you? Wait, hang on.
Sige,
How do
sige.
you
Share
share
screen mo lang ulit.
screen?
Ino-off ko lang yung
Yeah,
share
share.
screen, guys, para at least sa Facebook, ano, ah, lumalabas din yung pagmumukha na. Pero sa ano
I hear
naman,
you.
sa edit ko na to sa Spotify siguro, dire-diretso lang yan. Yeah.
Yeah. So it came up with this so-called self-talk paradox.
Mm.
And the crux is exactly what we talked about. Uh, when we're not talking to other people, and when we try to talk to ourselves, even in the most positive way, and we try to talk with other people, so whether it's conversational hypnosis, like just a persuasion conversation, a regular relationship conversation, or speaking with ourselves, even when it's self-talk, if the timing is off, you know, in native parlance, that shit don't work. Okay, it doesn't land. Okay, and so I tried to codify that. Then how do we identify that? And this is kind of what I came up with. Right. So this is kind of like, and you can see because of where we've come from historically, the stuff we've been interested in, especially you before you got married. uh, how it's kind of like part of it is like reading people, understanding ourselves and others. Yeah. Okay. And so what I kind of figured out was this. Okay. Weirdly enough, and this is a conversation because I haven't had this conversation with anyone else. This is like a word premiere. I wanna make a course out of this. But world premiere, right, on self talk with you, brother. I like, so hear me out and correct me if you think I'm off, and I'll navigate around it. So, but self talk isn't the cause. It's the symptom of your nervous system state. So another way I think about it is your self talk is arising from your state. Is that a fair call? Parang premises to, bro. Eh.
I'm checking within
You
myself
know,
and it makes
yeah,
sense. It
diba,
makes
diba,
sense.
diba,
It
diba,
makes
diba.
sense. Yung self-talk ko
Diba?
naman pag nasa flow state ako is either wala or uh kaya mo yan, galing mo or ano, iba.
Yeah. Yeah, and if
And
there's no interference, things just work. Right?
yeah, oh, iba rin yung
Yeah,
self-talk
yeah.
if
But
I'm not in a good state. Oh.
right. And imagine the standard person hearing about like manifestation and affirmation, and they're feeling crappy and they're trying to do affirmations. And these things are butting at each other, like fighting against each other.
Hindi
Ooh,
nag-agree internal eh. I
yeah,
am
of course,
good.
it's fine.
Tapos, ulul.
But I feel like crap.
Ulul, sinungaling, pangit. Oo.
And so, you
Konti lang
know,
makakagets nun. Mga oldies lang makakagets nun.
yeah.
Oo.
And so trying to fix thoughts in within a messed up state, that's an amplifier of exactly the problem. It's like arguing with the weather, or in some countries like arguing with your mother-in-law. It's a bad example, but things you cannot control. Yeah. Okay. And so I think now that the goal isn't to have like better thoughts, or not just better thoughts, but understanding state, paying attention to state, and taking appropriate and appropriately timed action. So it is a question of when. Ironically.
Babalik tayo doon sa unang tinanong natin kanina. Kailan? Kailan
Oh,
mo
oh,
masasabi na ready ka na? Kailan mo masasabi nandun ka sa state for change work? Kailan? Kailan mo masasabi nandun ka na sa decision, nagawa mo na yung decision or nagawa mo na yung action that could lead to the life-changing shit, man. Oh.
yeah. So I don't know if you had this conversation. I'm pretty sure you would have had by now. It's like, have you ever had to turn away someone, and then your dialogue with them is something along the lines of, "Come to me when you're ready." Like, come to me when you're sure. Like, come to me when
When
you're
come to me
serious.
when you're sure.
Ah, di ba?
I did say that line.
Di ba? Di ba?
Minsan kailangan ko sasaktan eh. Teka lang, parang
Yeah.
hindi pa yata aligned tong sa ngayon. Well, we could have this call again when you personally decided na gusto mo na talaga siyang gawin.
Yeah.
Yun
Yeah.
yung
Like, let,
I think that along those lines yung sinabi ko.
yeah, like, let the person cook.
Or doon na lang siya sa ibang coach. Diba?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, that's another conversation. We'll talk about that off screen.
Off. Oh, tama. Oh.
Yeah, hang on. Wait la. Wait.
Guys, maano talaga. It's a profession for a reason eh. I mean, uh, ano din siya eh. Passion din kasi siya eh. So we want to make sure that when we work with the client, their goal A to goal point A to point B is done. Nangyayari. Medyo masakit din kung paulit-ulit na yung coaching session and then hindi mo nakikita yung progress.
Oh
Minsan
yeah.
it leads to a question that as a coach, ako sa akin personally strict I get a feeling that teka lang, is the coaching really working or are we just
Right.
wasting time? Because I don't
Yeah.
wanna fucking waste their money. So I want to make sure, tinatanong ko rin yun dun sa coaching, kung nagkaroon ulit ng coaching call, may nangyayari ba? May changes ba na
Yeah.
nangyayari nung nagsimula tayo up till now? And
Right.
if there are minimal changes, maybe I'm not the vessel. Talagang I'd want to redirect them to probably a friend also or a different coach so that probably if there's a newer connection baka or authority, minsan kasi
Hmm.
pag tumatagal yung coaching, they could see you as a friend eh. And I
Yeah.
think isa yun sa mga naging mistake ko for the past years eh. Most of
Yeah.
the clients that I got to work with, of course, we became friends, di ba? It's inevitable. Kasi you're looking out for them eh.
Yeah.
Pero syempre, ngayon, I made sure that I maintain a certain space, that they understand that I have to maintain a certain space so that authority is well maintained.
Right.
I know that there's still respect, but authority is one important factor that I see that's good for faster change work.
I hear you.
So yeah, mm-mm.
Can I share something that'll probably hurt you in a useful way, brother? Regarding exactly what we
Go
talked
lang,
about.
go lang.
I'll give you the scenario.
Ba't ako masasaktan? Ah,
Hey, just see if it lands, because it landed
baka
for me,
naman
bro.
matuwa ako, baka
Baka
bias
matuwa
way
ka. Baka
masaktan
matuwa
ako.
ka.
Oo.
Baka. But has it ever happened for you where you remember exactly what you said to a person and you knew it would help, okay? But they didn't make the change until they heard the exact same thing
Tangina mo. Fuck
from
that shit.
somebody who learned from us,
Tama
but
na, Sticks.
charged them
Tama na,
more.
tama na, tama na. Tama na. You're right, you're right. Tama na. Let's change topics. So nandito na tayo sa why are we here? Tapos na tayo doon. What have we discovered? I think we're talking about what have we discovered na. Oh, what have we discovered? So, we're live, Strix. We're live. we're live. We're live.
It's a hypothetical question, di ba? I
Oo nga,
mean,
tama nga naman. Makes
yeah,
sense,
but
makes sense. Oh, yeah.
it's still about those things we talked about. It's about leverage, chemistry, and timing. You know, and sometimes they're leveraged with someone else, their chemistry with someone else, and the timing, just wasn't right for us. That's all it is.
Yeah. Makes sense, makes
And
sense.
somehow we got to be cool
You're
with that.
correct.
Yeah,
I have no
yeah.
comments on that. Oh, but yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Thank
But
you.
and at the end of the day, doing what we do, we're happy they made the change, even when
Ako
it's
yun
somebody,
yun.
even when it's with somebody else. Yeah.
I'm That's why I make sure that I turn the people, hindi naman turn away. I mean, I connect them to people who I know I can trust.
Absolutely.
Yung mga people that I've gotten to connect to and work with, or yung mga nakikilala ko lang, chine-check ko din yung approach nila eh. Because there are some approaches, let's be honest, Tricks. I mean, fuck it kung
Mm.
live naman to. I mean, may mga
Oh,
approaches kasi na we do see primitive already.
well,
Sorry, Strix ha. I mean, I think yung tao mo naman
elaborate.
says yes eh. Elaborate,
Elaborate.
elaborate, elaborate. I mean, there are approaches that work.
Yes.
There are approaches that don't work. There are approaches
Yes.
that we've seen that, teka lang, may better technology na dyan.
Yeah.
So, kaya
But
tinitingnan ko yung mga tao sa paligid kung I want to pass this person. Kuwari, may client ako nakausap. I want to pass this person to someone that I know as can do it.
yeah.
Hindi ako magpapasa kaya yung sa mga friends na nandito at nakikinig, kung nag-message man ako sa inyo at meron akong kinoconnect na client, this is coming from a place of trust. Ayoko
Mm.
rin mapahiya. Ayoko rin mapahiya. And
Oo. Oo.
maraming
Oo.
beses na dati nasunog na ako na kaya nga nakakatakot na mag-connect ng tao eh. Because
Yeah, I hear you.
yung nagko-connect, yung nasusunog din pag nag-fail yung kinonektahan. Oo.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
for uh the coaches who are here listening, don't stop na mag-upskill. Don't stop connecting with other coaches and getting to, understand more problems and the best solutions for those problems, different approaches so that marami kang bala.
Yeah.
That's why ang laking factor pa rin sa mga ganitong bagay na you do take in more clients, talk to more people who have deeper problems so that
Mm.
na-experience mo yung problema. Pag dumating sa yung mga problema na hindi na siya bago.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ayun lang, ayun lang. Pero in terms of technology, there are things that are different nowadays. Yun lang yung, I'm just
Well,
coming from that space na there are things, iba na yung panahon noon, 1960s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, sa mga problema na at mindset ng panahon ngayon. So,
yeah.
you have to adapt to it and you have to be
Mm.
resourceful. And I do think yung law of requisite variety pa rin ng NLP does
Yeah.
work. Does
Yeah.
work.
He with he with more tools will likely win. As long as he
So
knows how to use them.
more
Yeah.
tools, if you have more options, it's easier to look at what's the best one eh. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Kasi
And
yeah,
yeah. And dito ako kulang, Ken.
ano?
Kulang ako dun sa isang part ng requisite variety. I
Ano?
wish I had more friends to refer people to. Diyan ako kulang. Hindi ko pa natututukan na, like, sit with more people and
Iba yung
then,
craft mo eh.
yeah, I'm sorry, man. It's ano eh, it's a personal leaning din eh. Like you, talagang tutok ka dun sa, like, you know, connecting with people and getting to know them. And I wish I had the time for that, but I realize I have to build the time for that. Diyan ako talagang kulang. Kasi, like, if I had
Tara,
like
Japan. Tara, Japan.
ay, oo nga. Like, oo nga. Like, if I had a better, I know, bro. If I had like a better kahit na professional network then matutukan ko. It's just easier to refer people out because, not everyone's uh for what we do at that point in time. But if we could refer them to friends we trust, it kind of calms and warms our heart that okay, they will be getting proper care,
Yun,
you
yun,
know.
yun. I think I have I think more than sa daliri ko na yun mabibilang ko that I could
Ah,
confidently connect clients to. Oo. May mga bagay
yeah.
kasi guys, for most, I still market myself as a hypnotherapist. Pero for most of it, I do believe that hypnotherapy is part of the tool set that I have. And if the client is specifically looking for hypnotherapy, I could connect them to people who are really, really good with hypnotherapy. Walang problema dun.
Yeah.
And I know a lot right now. And
Yeah.
NLP, coaches, therapists, ngayon kasi I'm getting to decide talaga that I'm gonna focus on optimization, on people who want to work with skill, want to work with specific mindsets na. Para at least
Mm,
passionate ako. Yung talagang, eto sa akin to. Oo. Yun na. Kaya importante sa akin, Strix, na I really connect with other coaches, therapists, para may mga nag inquire sa page, may nag inquire sa mga PM, I could
yeah,
really
yeah.
direct them dun sa mga tao na nag-fit sa kanila.
Thanks. And for everyone else, we actually do this, you know. Like, I'd call Ken, somebody who can do this. There's this client I want to pass. So we actually do
Oh.
this, So if you're an exceptional coach or hypnotherapist, if you just like really, really love helping people, you know, connect with us because you'll never know who you might be actually able to help just by connecting, and that's a fault on my part too. How poorly I'm developing connections when it's something really to invest in, like to go out there and make these connections. In the very least, it's good to have people you can pass other people on to, and
Mm.
not everybody is within your line of expertise, and it's
Tama,
it's a
tama, tama.
delusion to think you're the very best at something.
Yeah,
No, there's someone better for certain things, and that's okay.
and
And
that's
if you
okay.
were actually a conscientious practitioner, you give them to the person who can help them best.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it talaga. Mm.
Okay. So, tige, tapusin mo muna tong slide thought mo na
Oh,
yan.
sige. Sige. So, you kind of agree with me with these premises, right? Like, self-talk arises from state. And then, trying to fix thoughts without fixing state is kind of off, right? And, sometimes it isn't just input, but figuring out the when to do that input, and the opposite, when to not do things. Are you in
I think I
agreement?
learned this nung Limitless yung when to not do things or when to shut up. You have
Yeah,
to create the system to shut up that self-talk eh.
yeah,
Or even if their self-talk, it's you who has control over the attention to it or when you
yeah.
give it power. So, hindi naman lahat ng self-talk pinakinggan. I mean, minsan, puta, nagda-drive ako. Puro
Yeah.
intrusive thoughts lang yan eh. Puta, gagano mo yung kotse. Pero wala naman nasunod dun eh. Diba? Nandun ka sa taas ng building. Puta, intrusive thoughts lang lahat yun. Pero hindi naman nasusunod yun because, again, you, you have to understand that you have control over the attention. And when
Right.
you understand that, you gain power over yourself more. Yun lang yung gusto namin din i-empower with other people kasi tang ina parang
Hmm.
a lot, ayoko sabihin a lot most of the people na I get to talk to lalo na pag in regards to mental health, it's sad, no? I mean, it's sad. I mean, this hindi kasi siya tinuturo eh. Hindi kasi siya tinuturo on thought management, to work with your
Yeah.
emotions. Hindi, but it's really sad that what if everyone knew NLP? What if everyone knew how to process their thoughts? I mean, we're not all perfect, pero at least you understand how to work with state.
Yeah.
You could elicit a previous state, not hindi useful yung current state. You could elicit a state in the past. If that's hard, you could elicit a state in the future. If that's hard, you could create a random state. Hence, going back to inner child, old old child, whatever. And I'll still go. I'll still stand with what I say. I've said. I mean, it's a created state.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
created state. So if you empower that the inner child is in control, the inner child is in control.
Mhm. Mhm.
What's stopping you from creating that inner lolo or inner adult, 'di ba? Super lolo, 'di ba? I mean,
Right.
yun lang. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we're
Go, go,
kind of
go,
in
go, go.
agreement with regarding that one, right?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So you know the scenario. Like you're trying to do
Ito yung
all these
sa
things.
affirmation and stuff.
Yeah, 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 yeah. But you're not in the state for it. I'm
Wow,
confident.
slides.
I know, right? I am
So
calm. No, you're not.
nice.
Positive vibes only. No way. Change my thoughts. Yeah, right. Okay. And so where the old model kind of says, if I change my thoughts, I change my reality. Kind of true-ish as far as truisms go. But you know, it ignores the fact that where you're coming from is very, very important. It ignores physiology, so to say. You're trying to install I am calm when your body when you just haven't had enough sleep or you're raging mad. That's kind of not the time. And then exactly like we talked about, it creates internal conflict. Like you first of all, you create parts which may or
Mm.
may not exist, and then you make them fight with each other because you're in disagreement with yourself, or it's just not the time to do the thing you're trying to do, and you don't get that.
Parang six-step refrain
Diba?
yan ah. Six-step refrain.
Yeah. And then if you try to do that, you're butting heads with yourself. You're adding to more effort. Yeah, efforting, I call it that. Um, and then you're creating loops and arguing with parts of yourself and creating more and more parts because of that, friction, anger, fear, you know. And so your body will disagree with what you're trying to input into your mind, even though they're part of the same thing. And then you feel bad about yourself, and then so you blame yourself, and so your self-talk gets even worse, like when affirmations fail because I should be able to think my way through this, but your body disagrees, and then you conclude you're a failure. When
Navo-validate eh. Navo-validate. Navo-validate nga. Yun nga yung part na yun. Navo-validate kasi na parang ganyan. Tapos, chinek mo sa sarili mo, ganyan. Oh, shit. Oh nga, no. Oh my God. It's real.
it's
It's
I'll
true.
never I'll
It's
never fail.
true.
I'll never win.
Little brother, you have a heart of a champion. Hey, strong bad. Oh, yeah.
And so my new model kind of looks at, you know your state creates your self-talk.
Ito na ba yung...
Kinda. I'm just looking for a way to codify it, and of course, you're free to agree or disagree with me. And this is a discussion after all.
I'm not disagreeing. I'm agreeing with it. It does make sense.
Yeah, and so in reverse, when we have self-talk, now to me that's a diagnostic signal. Like, tell me about your self-talk. Tell me the juicy details, because that will tell me about your state, and that'll lead me to how to help you. Before, I'm just interested in tell me the words so I can mess with them, so I can do my wizardly with words, and then change you. No, 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 no. It's like, tell me the words, and that'll tell me which gate to meet you at. Yeah, and so and so it becomes less of is that thought true, or how do I change that? How do I reframe that? It becomes what state of mind is producing that thought. Okay, so states into thoughts.
Ano
Okay,
na yata? Pre-limitless goal na yata to Strix eh.
parang gano'n na nga eh.
Oo nga
Hinahanapan ko
eh.
ng
Kasi
connection.
lens na to eh. Lens
Exactly.
installation na to eh. Oo.
Exactly. Exactly. Yun
Kaya
mismo,
nga
that's
lens.
exactly what I was
Utang
looking
ina
at.
kaya nga lens gago lupit man. As I was saying,
Inception.
it's the lens, it's installation. Pero ang ganda nun. Balik mo muna sa slide, Strix. I mean, it's really nice na this level of thinking that is being installed is a deeper level question eh.
Yeah.
Checking it, looking at it right now, it's a deeper level question, Strix, rather than naalala mo yung mga question dati na parang Is this real? So, galit ba ako?
Yeah.
Galit ba ako?
Yeah.
Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Hindi yata. Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Hindi. Kanina lang ako galit. Galit ako kanina. Okay, galit ako kanina. Yun yung dati.
Good
I
job.
think we had that conversation nung mga 2014, 2015.
Yeah.
Yun yung, I think we were talking sa isang Coffee Bean or Starbucks sa Ortiga sa Galleria. Doon ko
Mm.
tinanong yun eh. Alala ko pa yun. Hindi ko alam kung maaalala mo pa yun, pero old school
Yeah.
stuff, old school stuff. Pero sige,
No,
tara.
I hear you. I do remember that. Yeah.
Okay. Naka-backpack lang ako noon tapos tinanong ko yun. So ibig sabihin yung lens na ganyan is galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Galit ba ako? Nga no? Tapos tinanong ko yung sarili ko, teka lang, bad trip ba ako? Bad trip ba ako? Bad trip ba ako? Bad trip ba? And the layers ng question, even though it's repetitive, changed the state that I was in because I
Bingo.
was focused on not the emotion or the thoughts that were leading to that emotion, but focus on the question. Paulit-ulit lang. Checking with myself. And that changed the state I was in by installing a
Bingo.
lens. So ngayon,
Bingo.
this is a different lens. And what state of mind is producing this thought? And
Bingo.
it changes the way of thinking to a deeper one or a third person one.
Yeah.
And that's one of the key points that I think ano din eh, I agree with that kasi yun din yung tinitingnan kong approach. Yeah.
Yeah. If I take another way of looking at this that reflects what you just said, it's also that that internal monologue you were having with yourself as you were processing the same question differently 5 times. Okay, so it's
Yung
yeah,
yung sa akin
it's this. Okay,
Yeah.
it's how should I say this? What are my thoughts saying about my state? Because usually the people think, what does this say about me? Yeah, we personalize this, we identify with our thoughts, and so what does this say about how bad I am as a person, about how much of a failure I am? Okay, but no. Let's flip it in a limitless way, which is, no, your thoughts are telling you about your state.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that's what that diagnostic signal is for. Yeah, so tell me the words. And in the past, where we'd fight with it, and why are our results iffy? Like, most of the time it works. They've gotten better at this, but why does it should work? Why didn't it work? And it looks to me like some of those times it's because we didn't check with our internal state and the person's internal state, and we were trying to brute force our way because we could brute force our way.
Pwede, yeah.
Yeah, we thought we could.
Convoy. Kaya, lalo na
You can.
MBL, tsaka sobrang kayang i-brute force. Kahit nga normal languaging lang eh. Kahit clean
Yeah,
languaging lang, kaya mo i-brute
yeah,
force yung
exactly.
state
But
eh.
but if you look at it mechanistically, bro, here's the kicker. MBL is exactly that. MBL is state first. That's why it works. We change the state first.
Nagbago kagad yung state mo dahil sa MBL. I mean, guys, MBL is
Exactly.
mind-bending language. Okay?
Mind-bending
Wala
language.
kaming oras para i-explain kung ano yung mind-bending language dito sa call na to. Dahil hindi naman to webinar. Ito ay podcast. Gusto lang namin tignan yung mga natutunan namin this 2025 or years back. But
Yeah.
some realization. So yeah, MBL. Yep, MBL changes state instantly. Instantly.
And that's why it works.
That's why it
State
works.
first.
Wala ka na
It's the
kagad din
same
sa thought process mo eh. As in, it's a fucking
Yeah.
strong pattern interrupt.
Exactly. So sabi nga ni na Shogi,
Yeah.
same but different.
Teka lang, nalaglag yung salamin ko.
Sige lang, bro. Sige lang.
Yeah.
So,
Ibang
if
salamin na
you'll
lang
allow it,
sasabihin ko. Okay, nasa na yan?
if you'll allow it,
Go lang.
I world debut, I pioneer on your show, not in a course, the self-talk state ladder.
Oh.
Okay.
Threat collapse,
So,
activated stress. Okay.
yeah. So it's a practical map for state first action. It allows you to see where you or the other person are. So that in turn allows you to know, is the timing right? Okay. So in terms of self-talk, which is our crux here on your show, it's a mistake not when we have self-talk, but it's trying to fix that kind of thinking from the wrong state. It's still a matter of timing.
Hmm.
But first we gotta figure out where they are. So introducing the self-talk state ladder with appropriate picture.
Ladder nga.
So if you could see, ladder talaga.
Hindi, I mean, if you look at the picture, ang ganda nung nung pagkagawa kasi from chaos, ang gulo, to working with nagbi-build slowly yung structure to medyo ayos na yung system dun sa 3. Tapos sa 4, iba na siya. Ano na siya? It's clean. Filtered na. Filtered. Hanip? Hanip?
Yeah. So we're going from like threat or collapse. So imagine if you're trying to help the person and they perceive your attempts at helping as threats. Whether this is coaches, you know, clients for hypnosis, friends, family, right? At the wrong timing, you're trying to help, but all they feel is threat or collapse or regression or hiding or protecting themselves. You know, or they're slightly above that, they're hyper activated, they're hyper aroused, they're on the edge, they're stressed, right? And we didn't know that we can wait to just find them more regulated, more grounded, at which state they can actually listen, they can actually hear us. But before they're there, they can't hear a thing we're saying, and they'll probably take it wrong. And then where limitless goes at the level of insight or clarity, where we can actually change things at a very fundamental and a very identity level. How's this landing with you, bro? This ladder so far. Is this echoing your experience?
Threat, collapse, activated stress, regulated, grounded, insight, clarity. So, TARI.
I don't have an acronym yet. It's brand new, bro. It's brand new. It's brand new. That sounds wrong.
TARI, it makes sense naman, di ba? Yung TARI ng
Yeah.
ng
Yung tali,
Hindi,
rope,
tari,
ladder
tari,
nga eh.
tari, tari ba yung tawag doon? Yung dun sa, yung sa matulis sa cockfighting. Sa saddle.
Oh.
Oh, pwede, no?
Hindi ko alam, pare. Hindi ko
Gives you
alam,
an
bro.
edge. It's an edge, bro. It's an
Yeah.
edge. Pero, this makes sense. For
Yeah.
state, working with state.
Yeah. And if you can, so sometimes within this lens, it's no longer about why are my attempts not landing. It's where's the person coming from, and if they're at the wrong state, along the ladder, that's why they can't hear us. And that's why some coaches, small nudge lang, you just tell them what to do, they'll do it. Like,
Yeah, mabilis.
oh yeah, that
May
makes sense.
may mga clients akong ganun. May mga clients akong ganun.
Oh, that makes sense.
And
Yeah,
happy
but that's
ako.
because
Happy ako pag ganun. Pag ganun. Oh.
Yeah,
Rare
and
scenario,
that's
pero
because
yeah, super nice. Yeah.
diba. And that's because they're either at a regulated or grounded state, or they're coming from the level of insight or clarity.
Gusto na talaga nila. Oh.
Yeah.
Decided na talaga sila.
And so I wonder, do we actually have time for like a quick rundown through the 4 states, or is that for another discussion?
Well, mainly sa akin naman to eh. So, wala naman
Ah.
akong pakialam sa oras.
Oy, oy, oy. Can I show
Ah,
you?
self-talk with Ken Somera. Siyempre, control
Yeah,
natin yan. Tahabaan natin, iklian
yeah,
natin.
yeah. And we're on topic naman, di ba?
Yeah, what we've learned
Yeah.
ng 2025, di ba?
And self-talk.
Yeah, self-talk pa din, yeah. Working
And
with
self-talk.
internal,
But
yeah.
now it's just we're looking at it from the lens of state, so to speak. Yeah. And so there's a level one of the ladder, a threat or collapse, where everything sounds like it's a mess, like a catastrophe. You're demoralized. Everything is in absolutes. Everything is in forever. You know, I'm broken. I'm always wrong. You're always right. It's hopeless.
I
I
am.
should do better.
I am. I am broken.
Yes, you
Ako yun.
are, bro, Ken.
Ako yun. Ako yun.
And so I made rules for these, but that's kind of like level one. Okay. Then level two, activated or stressed. Sounds like, everything is urgent. Hang on. Dude,
Yo, ano? Nawala ka eh. Nawala yung audio mo.
yeah, I'm
Wait.
back. Sorry.
Yan. Okay. Sige. Ano pa nilagdag yung camera mo?
No. I just have to tend to stuff. Sorry.
Ah,
Just,
okay. Hi,
yeah.
Ninang.
Okay.
Okay, sige. May background ka naman. Hindi naman kita. Hindi naman kita.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a
Okay,
laugh.
okay.
That's a weird laugh. Pero sige. Sige lang.
Okay.
Acceptable laugh, yeah.
So round two is
Ha, ha, ha.
activated or stressed. And everything is hectic. Everything is urgent, repetitive, problem obsessed, and running in loops. Alam mo yung agit? Yeah. So, kung yung rung one, diba, look among your clients and among like mental health concerns, who's in rung one?
Who's
Where
in?
they're inside themselves, they're
Round
trapped in a
one.
hole, and they feel like they can't get out. That's rung one. That's step one.
Wrong one. Okay.
Yeah.
Wrong
And then
one.
rung two,
Ay.
everything's hyper. Everything is urgent, and they're in a loop. Then it's like an
Problem
attack.
obsessed and looping. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, we understand that.
And if you think of mental health and
State.
the people we help, you can see which rung they're at. Like they
Easily.
can't even see it's
Easily.
possible. Yeah.
Easily.
And
Yeah.
then if they're the kind who are activated or stressed, okay. And then rung three is where we can change people, where we can help people change, where we can better help other people. Because rung two, they can hear us. Rung three, they can hear us now.
Yeah.
Rungs one and two, they can only hear rung one. They're defeating self-talk. That's burying them even deeper. Okay? Rung two, it's a fight with everyone, including themselves. There's that overload of self-talk. Okay? Rung three, they can now hear us. We're finally in the conversation. But when we were younger, we must have tried to help people in rung one and rung two.
Pero,
we learned new tools.
May
Let's try
question
them.
ako. May question ako,
Yeah.
Strix. Ang question ko
Yeah.
kasi dito is, I mean, this happens in one call.
Oh yeah. You
Diba?
know that. You know that for a fact.
Then there are times that they enter as rung 3 and then
Exactly.
syempre they have to go to a state in where they have to tell us the context. So they get to go back to rung 1 and then
Hell yeah.
hell yeah.
Hell
Tapos minsan nakikita mo dun sa languaging tsaka sa patterns ng kinikwento nila is yung rung 2 state. And then
Right.
when you get to talk to them and teka lang, call them out on their shit and redirect them with a specific context, a concept, or a thought, or a question that could lead them back to either rung 3 or probably rung 4. And dito,
Bingo.
I think sa rung 3, most of the time when I get to see this state is the aha moment or that H bloom moment.
Mm,
This is when
okay.
I get confirmation that they're on probably rung 3. Just
Okay.
correct me if
But
I'm
by
wrong.
no, by me, rung 4 is where insight can happen.
Ito, so
Rung
rung
3,
4
bro.
si aha. Rung 4 si
Yeah.
change na
Rung
parang, well,
3,
it makes sense now.
yeah.
Okay,
Rung
okay.
3, rung 3 is the first time they're neutral.
Okay,
Rung
so
1 and 2, everything you say,
base
every
2.
yeah. Rung 1 and 2, everything you say is colored. Everything in rung 1 is darkness. Everything in rung 2 is red. Okay? In rung 3, it's finally neutral, and they can, for the first time, hear you and hear themselves.
Okay, so I'll
Then
look
the
at the rung 3 as base state. Pwedeng base state.
yes.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Yes. Yes.
okay.
So, kita mo yung description na ginawa ko? Okay?
When I read,
So,
kasi yung okay, I see the situation clearly.
yeah,
It
I hear
was
you.
I'm given an impression that it was already a positive, a medyo working state, not a
Yeah.
base
So,
state.
this is, yes. So, this is neutral, and the first time during which it's possible to hear something positive. Kasi finally, you're neutral. In Limitless, we talk about 50 plus 1, or neutral plus 1, or 0 plus 1.
Hmm.
Right? So, this is finally they're at neutral. They're at base state, as you put it. You know? And finally, they can hear themselves. And finally, they can hear their self talk. And finally, they can hear us.
Yeah.
Now, there's communication. Now, it's a two-way street. But before that,
Wala.
it's no,
Ano lang,
it's
mostly
not,
sila lang 'yan.
it's no real
Realidad nila.
discussion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full
So now
fully
it's
their
possible
reality.
for exactly. So now it's possible for them to consider things, and for them to come to conclusions like, okay, I get what you mean, you know, but this is in, rung three is like, the same way you'd say, let's go get pizza. Or the same way we would say, you know what, I'm hungry. Okay, that's where it's coming from. That's a kind of neutral. And it's not the words. It's like, oh, medyo traffic ngayon, no? Versus, shit, traffic. Ah, fuck, traffic na naman. I'm gonna lose a job. These are, same words but different state. Right? Okay.
Ayun, lamig
Here,
ng
it's
aircon.
it's it's na, di ba? Versus, lamig na aircon, nice. These are different. Okay. And so round three is finally they can hear us. Plus, finally they're coming from neutral.
Hmm.
Okay. And then round four is where insight and clarity arise. And very little leverage. And very often, all we are facilitators, and the answers come from them. Like, if we're doing our jobs well, if
Meron
we
part.
can, this is what,
Time
yeah, this is you know that golden moment when our job is to shut up.
H bloom part. Yeah, I do that
Yeah,
a lot. Oh.
yeah. Round four.
Dito
When
ako yung term ko na ginagamit ko pa rin is yung old school na term, cementing pa nun eh, or giving them time to
ah
process it themselves, or
yeah
giving them
yeah
specific leeway to make the
yeah
plane fly. Oh.
yeah. My meme way of looking at it is, let them cook. They're cooking. Let them cook. And then when other people are trying to help, shh. They're cooking. Let them cook.
Let them cook, let them cook.
Especially if they
Allow
came in with the
them.
partner who's trying to help. No. Let them cook. Can't you see they're cooking? Like, they're cooking. Shh. Let them cook.
Let them.
You know, and that changes the entire game. Right? And then I made generalizations for what to do during each rung, but that's maybe for another conversation. Hi. But so that's the introduction to my four rungs in this system of self-talk state ladder.
Well,
And
thank you for sharing that, man.
Yeah, and I thought it was appropriate to share this because it's a recent. Like I didn't know it well enough to be able to simplify it. As Einstein put it, as simple as possible, but no simpler. I didn't know it well enough to say it simply. Yeah, yeah. But now that the words are there, so I'm happy to be sharing this.
In
So
terms of like NLP, I mean,
yeah.
ang lawak kasi talaga ng NLP, guys, eh. So,
Oh yeah.
in terms of like, what part of NLP have you like used to like see this entirely? Kasi or I'm seeing as yung how people process belief, how people process um well, NLP is mostly used as a tool for coaching, eh. So, anong mga parts ng NLP yung ginamit mo dito? How you saw this?
Oh, you're asking me? Sorry.
Yeah. Mm. Ano lang for our listeners. Oh, let's
Ah,
connect things lang.
yeah. You know what? Surprisingly, what I was looking at were you know, there's preset positions of NLP, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a kicker way to look at it. Presuppositions of change. When you understand these presuppositions, you can help a person change. Okay?
Ang laking part pa rin, no? Kahit basahin mo nga lang yung ilan ba yun? 14, 15, 16.
Depending on where you're coming from. Yeah, yeah.
Oo, konti lang yun eh. Pero when you get to really go deeper with even just one,
Oh yeah.
it's really a big realization on
Yeah,
how
yeah.
you shape your life.
Let's exactly. So by example, even if you take the first one, the map is not the territory.
Parang Bible yan kasi.
Uh, okay. Unless you see the person's state,
Bible black.
you do not see the territory. And you cannot help.
Yung ano, yung thought to emotion, yung mind,
Yeah,
yan.
yeah.
Ang
And
lawak
so
eh. Yeah.
so yeah, and so I was thinking like how could I reduce this to presuppositions? And my best attempt was to create a state ladder. And so this goes for everything. Sales call, buying temperature, you know,
State pa rin eh. State pa rin.
socials.
Yan. State pa rin yan eh.
Yeah, getting to
State
know
pa rin.
people. If all
Value
people
state.
did like, yeah, was learn to manage their own state and learn to pay attention to other people's states and learn to lead other people into better states. Oh, that's more than half the game. And what a fun game.
I think ano eh, it's another topic in itself pero I think pwede
Oh
natin
yeah.
pag-usapan sa Hypnocom yung
Yeah.
leading, I think isang magandang topic yung leading people into a state. Pero for you to lead, malaking factor then you get to understand is that a state na pwede mong may hijack ng state, meron. Ang dami pwede gawin sa states eh. Dahil na. Solid. Pero sige,
Bingo.
daanan lang natin quickly. Do you have any other things that you want to connect to this topic before we
Oh yeah.
do like our siguro two questions na lang before we close?
Yeah.
To manage
If I can wrap
attention
this
lang.
up,
Sige,
yeah, if I
wrap
could,
up mo
yeah,
lang.
if I could wrap this up, trying to help a person without paying attention to the state, you and the other persons, is like trying to use a scalpel in an earthquake. You have the tools, but that ain't the right time. And so that's this analogy. And you can avoid so many problems by just paying attention to the state. And in fact, the internal self-talk changes once you understand state. Okay, let's take this example. I am confident, and then you experience the fact that you're not confident. Versus, oh, my system is adjusting. I'll wait for it to adjust. Exact same situation, but one comes from an understanding that state is primal. That you have to look at that. Okay. Another example would be I should do better. And but understanding that no, I was in the wrong state for that, and then coming from instead, the self-talk changes because the state changes, and so it becomes like, by example, oh, okay, I was just caught in between, and this is what growth feels like in the early stages. Yeah,
Oh, early
same
stages,
state.
yeah. Mm.
Yeah, same state, but now you have better words because you're coming from a better state. Okay. Yeah. And so that's kind of what we're looking with here. And then that takes me to this very limitlessly little thing that not every coach can do and do properly. Especially when we were younger, we didn't know when to shut up. We didn't know that that was very, very powerful because we had very poor control of state, ourselves and others. When silence is a kind of self-talk. And sometimes the most mature self-talk is knowing when to shut up, even with yourself.
I there are some people that would contradict us with this. Eh.
Ah, I hear you.
But fuck, 'di ba? I mean, but fuck. Fuck it. But fuck it. Um, kaya nga wino-work on na ma-manage yung sarili mong thought eh. When
Yeah.
I got to talk with a couple of people, hindi lang isa, a couple of people that
Mm.
have like pushing the concept of ANTs.
Of what?
ANTs. Ants.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You know,
Automatic negative thoughts?
yeah, automatic negative thoughts.
Okay.
Na parang,
Okay.
ano eh, hindi mo nagigets eh. It's automatic. Hindi ko siya na kayang makontrol. Sabi ko, teka
Right.
lang, gusto ko nga i-work on yun eh. Teka lang, you're coming from the belief na hindi mo kaya makontrol. That's why, hindi mo talaga kakayanin makontrol. I'm coming from a belief and a mindset that there are ways on how you could manage it. I'm not saying control. I'm working with the word manage. Because manage
Yeah, but
could lead to control. 'Di ba?
right.
So,
Yeah, but if
sige, go. Yeah.
yeah, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. No
So,
worries.
yun yung sinasabi ko. So, there are ways on how to kaya nga iba, 'di ba, tinuturo nila mag-meditation, at yung iba
Yeah,
tinuturo mag-work with focus, yung iba tinuturuan mag-work with removing all the distractions, 'di ba? So that
yeah,
mapunta ka sa isang ma-practice mo yung state na tahimik lang lahat. And kaya, kung kakayanin mo. I mean, iba-iba yung sistema ng tao. Yes, I agree. And yes, kung nandun ka sa mindset na tinaturuan ka na may automatic negative self-talk, may automatic thoughts, well, yeah, sige. But what if you just believe that you could control your thoughts and you could shut them up? That changes the ball game.
I hear you. I hear you. In context of what I've shared with you, also, that sounds like they're coming from rung one, rung two, and you're coming from rung four. And it's a very different ball game. So, and it's true, it can happen within the same conversation, but you gotta wait till they change rungs.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Shout out
it's
muna.
not that we can't help them. Yeah, yeah.
Hi. Oh, yeah. Dito pa kayo. David, si Gracie. Yeah, space is important. Oy, DM, what's up, bro? The best business is to mind your own business. Yeah, I agree. Oh naman,
Okay.
brother. Oh. Tapos sabi ni David, thank you, I know my niche now. Anong niche kaya yun?
Oh,
Anong niche yan, David?
oh.
Anong niche yan? Oh. Sige, going back.
I want to hear about
Sticks.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
PM na lang. PM na lang kung anong niche yan. Sige, go. Tuloy mo lang, Sticks. Yeah, tuloy mo lang.
Quick lang. But I kind of codified what we should do at each rung.
Okay.
Okay. Which is an entire masterclass in itself. I don't know if we have time to go through this. But
Well, paspasan mo na
essentially,
lang. Give them a glimpse na
yeah,
lang,
yeah, yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Paspasan na lang kasi I think
Right.
a couple of friends here are talagang listening intently to they're
Sure.
on the level that they get to understand yung mga sinasabi mo. So yeah, I mean this is valuable for
Sure.
them.
Okay.
Wait lang,
So
if
so
it's
so
valuable, comment na lang kayo diyan ng 1, 2 or valuable or mag-hi na lang kayo. We just want to fucking acknowledge who's there. And commenting is something that helps us, you're here. 'Di ba? Para alam lang namin. Sige. Ayan, go lang, Strixia.
okay. So the way I've codified it is now, the rungs are okay, threat, activation, baseline or regulation, and level of insight. So those are the rungs. Threat, hyperactivated. So black, red, hyperactivated, then regulated, baseline, and then level of insight. Okay. And this is an oversimplification, and all overgeneralizations are false, including this one. But the my recommendations, if we were to train other people in this system now,
Mm.
would be at threat level one, you just focus on the person's safety because they're recessing, they're going to a deeper pit. At rung number two, where they're hyperactivated, where everything's red, you help them with regulation, self-regulation, just being able to manage themselves. And sometimes helping them breathe is all you can do. Right? And then this is exactly your experience at rung three, when it's baseline or
Mm.
regulated, a small direction, like little push, micro push,
Oh,
and
yeah.
then bingo, change.
Ando na.
One
Okay,
gentle
yeah.
directive thought, they can actually hear you because they're in the conversation for the first time. And then at rung four, all we need to do is create the space, and they will see the answers. They will hear the answers. They will feel the answers, and they will change. So I hope that kind of makes sense. And so my reductionist look at the new doctrine for this, the states of self-talk, is one, state first, then two, thought second. And if you can get to it, especially at rung four, silence is best. Say nothing, the person's fine at that level. All you have to do is create space. And so that takes me to the other, very compassionate way of looking at it. Sometimes the best we can do, and sometimes the most kind and useful thing we can do, is create space and shut up. Yeah. And in reverse, understanding, there are no state for this. Just get some sleep. You're no state for this. Breathe. Talk later. Let's come back to this when you're in better state. Yeah. Well, whether that's coaches or people who have some form of a relationship with this, or even family, and you know how heated it can get with family. Yeah. So that's how I've reduced this, and I wonder if that makes sense. And so, more paper drawing. This is a state first approach to clarity performance, which is, as I understand, is that what you spoke about when you say you're going to focus on optimization? It's like performance coaching ba is what you were
Ako,
pointing at.
yung this year ng 2025, talagang yung last year ng January, doon talaga nagsimula lang ako to
Yeah.
focus lang, optimization lang talaga. Performance
Ah,
and output lang. Kumbaga, I want to be better. I want to learn this skill. I want to perform more on the confident side of things. I'm introverted. Ito yung gusto, pero ito yung gusto ko mangyari. I need to do this. Yun lang. Yung mga therapy, I'm depressed, ganito, anxiety, I still get to work with it, pero more on the, I'm still checking if they're on the progressive side of things that I want to work with it rather than pag-usapan lang namin. Yeah. Mm.
I hear you. I hear you. So it'll be more about like helping people optimize themselves and their work, and then working on skills.
Yeah.
That's kind of gonna
With
be your
belief, working
focus.
with a belief, we're creating better identities or versions of themselves, and working with
Mm.
skills. Yeah.
Okay, and that's the direction you're heading in for 2026, bro.
Yeah. More on yung cheating confidence na program ko. Yun yung
Mm.
talagang tututukan
Okay.
ko lang. So working with state talaga kasi I do believe that may advantage ako as a trainer, because as a trainer I'm also a coach and a therapist. So the mindset that I have coming in is, teka lang, what the fuck? Teka lang, wala masyado nakaka-deliver ng hindi
Mm.
seminar type, but siguro ang gagawin ko, rather than doing just seminars, are just coaching sessions na. So parang gets mo, it's NLP programming na talaga ng
Yeah.
groups of people na. So I think that's the
Understand.
medyo optimistic ako doon, and I see it kind of works. I've ran 2 to 3 workshops nung nakaraan, and I did my
Oo nga.
personal tests na, demo, and asking for feedback if it worked, and
Yeah.
making sure that there are people in the audience na nakakaintindi ng craft, para yung nakukuha kong feedback is much on the level na hindi lang yung, uy, wow, ang galing. More on like, ito yung dapat mo ma-improve dito. Okay, this one was good. You could have added this, mga ganun. So, I think, yeah.
Cool. This also tells me who to refer to.
Let's see.
I think we're kind of in a good place though right now.
Yeah.
Anything
Oo
else you'd
naman.
like to tie together before
Well,
we
yung mga questions lang, siguro wrap up ko lang to bago tayo mag-wrap up dito.
Uy, may
We started this
questions.
call, no, we started this call with the intention of like, just what can we learn from 2025? So we focused on making sure that the lens that we're coming into is like a lens of a coach, not as who Ken and Strix are, na magkukwentuhan tayo about wala lang, mga other stuff, other deep stuff. Pero at least we want to make sure that if you're a coach or a therapist, or you're someone who just focus on self development, you'd get something from this call. Yun lang yung
Yeah,
intention namin.
I think we did.
I've written down some questions na to start with. Ang sinimulan ko dito is nakasulat dito, perspective. Ano ba yung perspective namin
Mm,
as a coach? Number 2 is what have we learned this year? Number 3
mm,
actually was conversational hypnosis.
mm.
I think daanan natin siya ng konti lang when we talked about TIP, and we talked about MBL. Trance
Right.
of Infinite Possibilities and Mind-Bending Language. Guys, may mga topics lang na hindi kami pwedeng lumalim masyado. It's because on the understanding na nagkaintindihan na kami ni Strix doon, or baka kasi sobrang lalim, medyo it would take time for us to explain in detail. Okay? So, pero on our end, I think we got the idea of it naman, Strix, no? Next
I
is
think they got a master class today. I think they did.
I think so. I think so. Next is what have we discovered? That's why we're here. And yeah, Strix is explaining his concepts, kasi this is what he has discovered this 2025. Yun yung pinag-uusapan namin. I mean, we've been doing this for more than a decade. Si Strix sobrang tagal na rin. Pero ang mindset kasi is, there are things that worked before. There are logics that helped us before with our work. But there will be innovations, and it's not about something new. It's about, probably you've known this already before, but now it just makes more sense because you're in a better position to see things clearly, or to see things differently. Yun naman. So, yung statement na what have we discovered this 2025, are, as we were discussing, this makes sense. Yung mga sinabi ni Strix kanina, this makes sense. Yung ibang mga sinabi ko rin kanina that I've discovered this, that makes sense. So, I hope it made sense to you then listening. Kung may questions naman kayo, pwede naman ibato yung questions niyo and discuss na lang namin on a different call. Or still the invitation, I think there are 2 more slots for Limitless. So just join us. I mean, that's 3 days of like D for this. Oh, and I think we're gonna prepare Strix for pre-limitless call for those who have shortlisted already, so that they get to have a head start before
Even
going into
worse, I think,
limitless.
yeah.
Even
Even worse, I
worse.
think we were able to do a free limitless call today.
Oh yeah, medyo pre-limitless nga siya.
Diba? Tama nga eh.
There were
That's
a
a
lot of
very early.
concepts that is important for them to understand before going into limitless. Eh. So I think
Yeah.
this was one of the key parts of it. Pero pagbigyan mo na yung mga nag-shortlist, bigyan mo na sila ng bigyan mo na sila
Oo
ng
naman, oo naman.
magandang stuff. Oh. Again, I'm still looking at it. Tagaytay, Pampanga, Rizal for Limitless. It's 3 days. Tsaka, please lang paalam na kayo sa mga pamilya nyo na pagpupunta kayo doon, wala, talaga, if you could disconnect from everyone. In 3 days na yun, wala kayong phone. Wala kayong phone. So, yung next question na nilagay ko dito is, what seems to not work anymore?
Ooh.
Ito hindi ko natanong.
Yeah, but we managed to answer that within
We
this
managed
call.
to answer that, yes.
Yeah.
Pero meron ka pa bang naiisip when you think about what seems to not work anymore?
Most of it takes me back to the first things you started with, which are,
Let's go with
leverage.
one concern. Let's go with anxiety.
Oh,
Are there
how do you
things that you knew
mean?
or have done that you feel right now is not working anymore? Mahirap. Mahirap na tanong to. Ako, nira-rundown ko sa utak ko ngayon yung mga ginagawa ko eh.
Yeah.
Because if we talk
I think,
about breath work, I still see the
yeah,
importance of regulating.
yeah,
Oxygen is one still part of it.
yeah.
Affirmations.
Mhm.
I'm rarely ko na pinapagawa yung affirmations. Pero it still has its uses.
For me now, it's paying more attention to where they're coming from, physiology wise or body wise. Right. So I'll give you the reverse scenario. So there are a lot of newly minted coaches or hypnotherapists. And, they try to raw dog it through things, and they think they can help with everyone, even with specialist cases like schizophrenia, you know. And they'll go at it without understanding where the person's coming from, health wise. Like one
Health-wise.
simple things that, yeah, health wise,
Health-wise.
body
Okay.
wise, because body and mind are the same thing. It's
Yeah.
one unit, right? So they'll attempt to do hypnosis, hypnotherapist coaching on a person who hasn't slept well for several weeks, on a person who has a thyroid problem, undiagnosed or poorly maintained. Okay? And both will give you, a significant amount of rung one and rung two, including anxiety. And how much can you help with it's mind body, and if they don't pay attention to body too, they've lost out on that. When their golden move could have been, refer to doctor first to make sure that things are, in order, and then
Okay.
have the doctor refer
That
back to
makes
you.
sense.
Yeah, it's something that's very, very ignored in some overlaps with our communities. And part of it, I think, isn't their fault. It's just that they haven't made enough colleagues as connections, so they don't actually know who to refer to. And then sometimes I think I've seen it also to be ego. I've seen even doctors take on all the patients, even patients who they could poorly not, who they, there's somebody who could help them better. Okay, like they can, but somebody can help the patient better. No, If that were me, I just refer out. It's like, there's somebody who's a better fit. Would you please consider them? Yeah. Okay. So it takes me back strangely to the three things we first talked about. Leverage, timing, chemistry. And that includes now, in terms of timing, in terms of leverage, in terms of chemistry, what state are they coming from in their bodies? Like, what's the physiology? What's the
Mhm.
baseline we're talking about? Right. So
Okay.
not just mind, but body. And that's very easy to miss because most of the time we deal with mind, and then we forget, we're dealing with mind body. It's always two things in the person. How do I
Nap
have a decent discussion with Ken when he hasn't had pizza and coke? Yeah.
napasmile ako kasi may pumasok sa isip kong masama, eh. Pero
Ano?
banggitin ko
Ano
na lang
naman
after
yan?
this call. Ha? Hindi,
Gagi.
hindi, hindi, hindi.
Ano?
Basta may nakwento ako sa'yo with the uh, mababang uri daw yung working with mind.
Oh, bago yan ah.
Hindi, hindi, hindi. Kwento ko na
Oh.
sa'yo. Mamaya.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ano.
Sige.
Okay. Hindi, pero may point siya dun sa context niya. May point siya dun sa context niya.
I hear
Oo.
you.
Kasi dapat
I hear you.
ang wino-work on daw talaga spirit.
Oh, dude,
Pero,
it's
wait. Tsaka na natin pag-usapan yun. Make sense, okay. So, yeah. Okay. Again, iba-iba yung context yan eh. So, yeah, okay. Sige. Okay, let's go forward. Alright, so, where, let's
okay,
see.
okay. That's fair. That's fair.
That's fair. Tama naman yung ano ko. Okay, so yung shift ko. Okay, what seems to not work anymore? Sa akin, yung naiisip ko kasi, Strix, iba-iba yung reality ng client eh. So, very
Mm.
subjective. There are things that I do believe that don't work anymore or that don't work talaga. Pero when I get to understand the reality of the client, I have to consider that fully. So even for me, I do believe that it doesn't work, but the client believes that that works, I could still use that and it would still work. Okay? So, subjective, hindi ko masasagot yung 2025 ano yung hindi na nagwo-work kasi wala akong maisip sa ngayon. I'll be honest with it. So, next question natin is how are we mentally?
Ano yun?
Ewan ko, nakasulat dito eh. Nakasulat dito
Ano
eh.
yun?
Sinulat ko dito. Alam ko yung pinag-uusapan natin, kasi parang how we manage as we get to work with the negativities and what sort of problems ng mga clients natin. Um, how do we manage our shit?
Oh,
Mm.
okay.
Ako muna? O ikaw? Ikaw muna?
Yeah, well, for me, it's, I don't know. We, everybody houses for a perspective. Everybody does the best they can from where they're at and what they've got. But once we know better, we do better. Once we understand better, we do better. And that can be as simple as seeing which state we're coming from and understanding this just isn't the time, Strix. Tulog ka muna.
Yeah. Mm. On my end, still, ano pa rin, still, good food, Dota, and yung asawa ko gusto palagi nagta-travel, lumalabas eh. So, I think that helps
yeah,
a lot. That helps a lot.
yeah.
Environment, when you get to understand that environment plays a big factor, you get to understand why pinsan talagang lumalabas talaga kami ni Fem or talagang I attend different events is to
Mm,
change the way of thinking
mm,
and the
that's
environment
right.
that I'm in, the people I get to interact with, malaking factor din yan. So, I do believe I'm still very adaptive with the people I get to talk to. Nag-iiba yung persona ko depende dun sa mga taong kausap ko. And level of thinking also changes with the people that I get to talk to. So, malaking factors yun. Malaking factor yun on how I manage myself mentally. And there are downtimes pa din naman. But again, ang statement ko pa rin dun is hindi bumabad. And have better control of the thoughts that could lead to the emotions. It's hindi namin pinagbabawalan na ma-feel mo yung emotion. Hindi. Daanan mo yan. You could learn from it. Pero regulate. When you get to work more with yourself and set boundaries sa sarili mo, get to know yourself more, you get more power to work with these things. Okay? So, we're not talagang masters of the field ng ganito. We just have spent more time with not just working with ourselves, but also um, get to look deeper with the craft. Even now, pansin nyo sa amin ni Strix, we and other friends, we're not stopping. Things change. There are a lot of people that have different insights and approaches on how to work with things. And it's still fascinating for us to see that, puta nga, no? That makes sense. Oo nga, ganun yung approach. Sa terms ko, ganito yun. Pero, okay, if that makes sense for him, and meron pala siyang inad na isang step doon na sobrang ganda pala. And if I get to add this, wow, it's ganun. May ganung marami kaming nerd moments na ganun, and it's still a blessing that we get to have conversations like this, Strix, and
Oh yeah,
dinamay lang
same.
namin
Listen.
kayo, mga kaibigan. And we just hope that you get you get to experience life better.
Amen.
Iba-iba tayong pinagdadaanan, pero I know that this is a time of year that a lot of people are probably resting or probably are optimistic to that new version of themselves for 2026. Kaya yan. You have control. So last question,
Amen.
Strix, where do we go from here?
I'll echo something we said a while ago in a different way.
Yeah.
Um, Sometimes mastery is just about a little more time. Sometimes, not always,
Not always.
but
Yeah.
especially if you're coming from rung 3 and 4,
Mm.
mastery is just a function of more time, more skin in the game, more experiences, more perspectives, more tools to the toolbox, more insights, more actions. Yeah.
When can
And
you
for
say
you?
you've mastered it?
Oh, actually have a bad answer to that. You want to hear this?
Oh, bad answer din yung sasagot ko eh. Pero sige, go. Pag tinanong mo rin sa akin yun, bad answer lang din sasagot ko eh. Pero sige, go.
the the beginner's path, the noob, the path of the noob is to make the unconscious conscious.
Yeah.
That's going up the mountain. The path of the master is to go down the mountain, to make the conscious unconscious again
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Yeah.
automatic. And then when it's automatic, that's mastery. So like I share at the clinic with like for performance coaching and related to like elite athletes returning to the game, I explain to them it's like driving. When you don't, when we were learning to drive, there are 18 different things you need to know. And then it cuts off your breathing. Okay? You know you've mastered something when it doesn't change your breathing. Whether it's speaking in front of a crowd or driving or coaching, when it doesn't break your breathing pace. When nothing breaks your breathing pace, you
Oo.
got it.
Okay.
That's mastery. So I have a physiologic, I have a kinesthetic, I have a somatic, I have a body marker for mastery. Doesn't change your breathing. That's when you know. But in truth, for us, there's there's just a little more. No real mastery. And you can say you've learned this, but there's something new. There's something we haven't seen. And
Yeah.
I think mastery is being okay with that. The fact that we don't know everything. And
Yeah.
that's the path to seeing more.
Yeah. Okay. So for everyone, you could just focus on inhaling right now. One, and slowly exhale. Isa pa, inhale ulit. And slowly exhale. And ngayon, mahirap na siyang gawing automatic ulit kasi conscious ka pa dun sa pag-inhale mo. Ba't hindi ka pa humihinga? Teka lang. Teka,
Now,
teka, teka, sa breathing, di ba, face? Huminga ka na. Uy, hinga ka muna. Automatic breathing. Ang hirap, no? Pag naging conscious ka na dun sa breathing mo, ang hirap na ibalik. Pero salamat, Strix, for all the insights. As the year
it's fun.
ends,
Always fun.
we commit. Nag-usap na rin kami ni Strix that wala, committed lang kami to do this route. Pag available naman kami, may hopefully yung mga workshops na yan. Ang naka-schedule lang talaga, I'll be honest, is si Limitless ng April. At hindi pa siya workshop, retreat pa siya. So, yung ibang mga pinaplano, stay tuned na lang. Depende. Magulo yung schedules ko ngayon eh. So, sige. Sagutin ko lang pala to, yung where do we go from here? On my
Yeah.
end, I think I'm gonna focus on less things right now.
Mm.
I've been focused on a lot of things, establishing brand, working with people,
Mm.
one-on-ones. Pero right now, I think very optimistic ako with just confidence. Confidence on command lang.
Well,
I want to create impact on that surface baseline level lang. Alam kong medyo surface pa siya, but I do see that if this gets solved or na-work on that, na-expose na yung tao with better options on how to approach things more, alam mo yun, front-facing, a lot of opportunities may open up. So be it communication, be it just public speaking, be it just self-talk, you could get to confidently say who you are, sino ka ba. I think that could change the game. And I just want to focus on that and study more deeper with that. So yun, where I'm going from here, coaching pa rin, mentoring, pero I really focus on building confidence, inner confidence. Yun lang this year. So, sige,
sounds good.
final message, Tricks, for this episode of Self-Talk, episode number 13. What can we learn from 2025? What's your message before we end?
Siguro in keeping with what we've talked about and what I've shared, sometimes you're overthinking it. Sometimes it's just about recognizing where you are and honoring the right time. Wonder if that makes sense.
Okay, salamat. Salamat, Tricks. Sa akin, message ko lang as the year ends, mabuhay. Happy New Year. Happy
Oh,
New
mahirap
Year.
yung opposite to
Happy New Year. Oh, kasi puto, mamamatay ka. Siyempre, doon sa mabuhay, mabuhay. Create better anchors.
Mm,
Understand your states well.
mm,
Connect with more people. This is a
mm,
must. This is a request. Um, get to know yourself more.
mm,
There's like 24 hours in a day, like a lot of minutes there, a lot of seconds, and how much time have you really, given to yourself with planning, with, just writing, getting a piece of paper, writing your plans down, acknowledging yourself, treating yourself better.
Yeah.
Baka mas ma-notice mo nga, yung iba have most of the parts of their day, they just,
Mm.
berating themselves and like,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
maybe it's time to be aware of it and fucking stop it. You have the power to
Right,
do so.
right, right.
If not, dumikit ka sa mga circles na may ganito.
Amen.
Hindi, tangina, may community na dyan, yung Empower everyday, kung kaya ko everyday, nagpo-post ako dyan ng mga
Mm.
deep mga questions that you could
Yeah,
ask
yeah.
yourself or something. Request nyo lang, sasabihin, gagawin ko naman. Private group yan, kahit anong katarantaduhan, ilagay nyo dyan, okay lang yan. Wag lang kayo magpro-promotion ng mga kung ano-ano. Pero kung promotion, kung meron naman valuable, then okay lang yan. Wala akong pakialam dun. Um, just,
Yeah.
2026 is, every year, ganito yung nangyari. People are being optimistic with the new year. So use that. While you're having that feeling of, teka lang, I can change. I have a better version upcoming. May improve ko yung sarili ko. Habang you're feeling this right now, take advantage of it. Yun lang.
Amen.
Yun lang.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
yeah.
can I reflect what you said in different words?
Sige. Sa
Yeah.
mabuhay?
Um. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Starting with that. Yeah, starting with mabuhay. Um. If you're not dead, whatever it was just a delay. And don't worry about perfection when you can start today to make progress. That's it.
Tit-
And salamat,
So,
bro.
salamat. Salamat din, bro. Always, it has been
Yeah,
a nice conversation between bros. Oh,
always.
and hindi, si Strix, hindi lang bro yan. Ninong ko yan eh. Ninong namin ni Fen yan. Oh.
Ay, nako.
Kahit labag sa loob niyang gawin namin siyang ninong sa kasal namin, ginawa namin siyang ninong. Oh. So, so, salamat
Good.
ninong.
Ang ya kayo.
So episode this wraps up episode number 13. Stay tuned for episode 11 and 12. I-up ko na rin yan in a bit. So Spotify and YouTube, nandun yan. I'll be deleting this video on Facebook just so that ma-edit lang natin yung yung early parts, and then antayin nyo lang yung re-upload nito sa Spotify and YouTube with AI overview and summary.
Wow.
Syempre, 'di ba? Kaya naman natin i-summarize na 'yan para meron lang tayong key
Fantastic.
points. Yun lang. So, again, Strix, thank you so much. Happy New Year. Happy New
Good
Year
night, brother. Happy New
sa
Year. See you soon.
Mamo and sa kay Ninang. So, yun. Bye-bye. Masaya na si Fen
Bye.
kasi nahirit ko na 'yan eh. Okay, sige. Okay, 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 okay.
Good night.